So many months ago, like summer of last year, I was riding my bike to work, as I do, because I'm a very environmentally conscious person. I recycle. I drive an electric car, and it's a 5 mile ride. Got to my lab. Was parking my bike by the bike racks behind some bushes. 5 mile ride, wasn't out of breath at all. 'Cause, very fit person.
Impressive.
But as I looked up, suddenly this guy approached me, sort of out of nowhere. Now, I don't want to say he was hiding behind the bushes by the bike racks, but at least part of him was covered by the bushes, which is why I didn't see him at first.
Uh-huh.
But he seemed like a friendly enough guy.
Okay.
He was holding a phone, and he came up to me. He was like, hey, friend, I just got this new phone. And gestured to the phone. Seemed like a real phone.
Uh-huh.
So I didn't question it. But he was like, hey, but I don't know if it's working or not. Can you give me a text or a call? And I was like, yeah, okay. Yeah, because again, I'm a nice guy.
Yes.
I recycle. I drive an electric car. So I was like, sure, yeah. So he gave me his number, and I texted it, and nothing. He didn't get it. Okay, so then he was like, I guess the phone isn't working, but can you send me a WhatsApp? I was like, sure. So I sent him a WhatsApp, and he actually got that. So we're both very happy.
Uh-huh.
But by this time, I had to run up to lab because I had an experimental time point.
Of course, science. Can't wait.
So I went up to lab, did my experiment. About an hour went by. When I checked my phone, I got a WhatsApp message from him. He just said, hey, man, thanks again for sending me this WhatsApp.
Okay.
So I replied, yeah, sure, no problem.
Yeah.
Again, very nice guy.
Yeah, very gracious.
I'm saying. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm very nice.
Course.
Yeah.
Of course, yes.
Yeah, electric car. So I was like, okay, cool. Yeah, that's the end of that. But then 5 minutes later, he texted me again. And I want to read you exactly what he said.
Okay, go ahead.
He texted, you should call and text me more often.
What?
Look, now, I don't, I'm not homophobic, right?
No.
In fact, I consider myself to be an equal opportunist.
Oh, is that so?
I don't know what that means. I'm going to cut that part out.
Yes.
But